What's up, boys and girls? Welcome to the channel. Today, we're tackling one of the most frustrating issues you might face in Call of Duty, Black Ops 6, shader preloading getting stuck. If you've been pulling your hair out trying to fix this, stay tuned because I've got all the solutions you need. And hey, if this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and leave a comment below. Solution 1. Restart and verify game files. The first solution is to restart your system and verify your game files. Sometimes, missing or corrupted files are the culprit. Steps. Restart your PC to clear any temporary issues. Open your game client. On Steam, right-click on Black Ops 6 in your library, then go to Properties, then go to Local Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. On Battle.net, go to the game, click Options, then go to Scan and Repair. The client will check your files and download any missing or corrupted ones automatically. Solution 2. Clear download cache. Sometimes, clearing the download cache in your game client can resolve shader preloading issues. Steps for Steam. Open the Steam client and click Steam in the top left corner. Navigate to Settings, then go to Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. Restart Steam and launch the game to see if the problem is resolved. Solution 3. Adjust in-game graphics settings. If the shaders are stuck, tweaking your graphics settings can reset the shader preloading process. Steps. Launch Black Ops 6 and go to Settings, then go to Graphics. Find the shader quality option. Lower the quality to low or reset it to default. Save the changes, exit the game, and relaunch it to let the shaders reload. Solution 4. Manually delete shader cache. Corrupted shader cache files can cause preloading issues. Deleting them allows the game to rebuild these files. Steps. Locate the shader cache folder in your game directory or system folders. For most games, it's in the Documents folder or the game's installation directory. Delete the shader cache files. Make sure the game is not running when you do this. Launch the game, and it will automatically regenerate the shader cache. Solution 5. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can conflict with shader loading. Steps. Identify your GPU brand, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Go to their official website. NVIDIA drivers. AMD drivers. Intel drivers. Download and install the latest drivers for your GPU. Restart your system and test the game. Solution 6. Run the game as administrator. Running the game with administrator permissions can resolve permission-related issues. Steps. Right-click the game's shortcut or executable file. Select Run as administrator. If this works, you can make it permanent by right-clicking the file, selecting Properties, then going to the Compatibility tab, and checking Run this program as an administrator. Solution 7. Disable overlays. Overlays from apps like Steam, Discord, or NVIDIA can interfere with the shader preloading process. Steps. For Steam. Go to Steam, then go to Settings, then go to In-Game, and uncheck Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. For Discord. Go to User Settings, then go to Game Overlay, and toggle off Enable In-Game Overlay. For NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Open the app, go to Settings, then go to General, and disable the in-game overlay option. Solution 8. Check for game or server updates. Shader problems can sometimes stem from bugs that developers fix in updates. Steps. Check for updates in your game client. Updates should happen automatically, but you can manually check in Steam or Battle.net by selecting the game and looking for an update option. Visit the official forums or social media pages for any announcements regarding shader issues. And that's it for today, boys and girls. Hopefully, one of these solutions worked for you and got you back into the game. If it did, don't forget to like the video and let me know in the comments what worked for you. See you in the next one.